So first, I have here the draft worksheet that we will be giving to our students. We need to let them indicate their name, their year and section, and its date. We should also not forget the instructions before we start the quiz per se. So yes, I have listed here listening test part 1, part 2, and part 3 because that is how I want the teaching material to be. And of course, let's not forget, because this is a listening quiz, we will need to prepare audio files. Then the next thing that we'll do is to let them listen to the whole audio recording file.
Now, in this first part, I'd like to ask you some more questions about yourself.
And yes, you have to take note of those tricky words, phrases, or sentences, because from that, you would get something that you would test your students. So, yes, you just let them finish
A good start
listening to
of.
the whole audio file.
Let's move on to talk about
And the good thing
accommodation.
about this site is that it has its own transcript. So, as a teacher, you'll just need to copy this and paste it to our draft worksheet. So, yes. And from the transcript that we copy, we just need to paste everything and note those tricky parts, remember them. So here I have Zurich. So let's, because, yes, just need to erase that and paste a blank. Yes, our listening test part 1 is done. Okay. And actually, you just need to repeat the process for listening test part 2 and listening test part 3. Here is now our finished product: listening test part 1, listening test part 2, and listening test part 3. Of course, with increasing difficulty. And if you can remember, the blanks here are from the tricky words, the tricky phrases, and the tricky sentences that we have noted from the audio file earlier. That's it. Voila! We are now done with our listening instructional material.
Thank you very, very much for your kind presentation.
Feminism is not trying to take from men, but just
So the instruction for that material is to let the students choose a number, and from that number, this gift over here will redirect them to a word that they will need to explain or expound. For example, here the word love, under 1 minute they have to talk about anything about love, expound it, explain it, anything they like, but not forgetting the logical connectors that has to be present. Like for example, if they want to add sentences and phrases, you could use furthermore, moreover, additionally, if they want to compare or contrast politics, they can use however, but, and. If they want to have a process, they can use first, secondly, lastly, then, after, and the like. So, yes, that's just it. And this material could now be efficient in improving their speaking skills. But how to do this? I mean, is this very hard or difficult? No. This is actually an adapted material that I got. And you might say that it's just easy because I adapted it. But no, really. We can make it from scratch. And these are just designs. We could improve it. We could make it better. Like, for example, this is just a gift, but we can always replace it with a hashtag because this activity is really called the gift of words, but we could replace it to the word to an activity that is called hashtag, just like a beauty queen competition. So yes, we will replace this gift into an hashtag, and how to make it redirect, how to redirect a slide over this picture over here. So you just have to click this picture and insert there a link, and there you could choose like what slide is it going to redirect. Like for example, slide number 9, it's there, you can just apply it. Or slide number 7, you can just apply it. And that's just it. And if you can remember, this over here is just the same thing. You just need to insert a shape. Yes, that's an arrow. And again, you just need to insert a link and redirect it to the first slide. Easy peasy. And of course, you can just make it, we can just replace these words into anything that we like. And we can make it even, we can all even insert a video if you like. So yes. And for me, I inserted a sound because I would like it to be extra. And so I just inserted an audio over here. You can just choose it from your drive or anything that you like. And I just chose automatically for it that when it's redirected, we can hear the sound. Like, for example, if I can present it to you, again, if you have this, you can hear the sound, right? So, yeah, that's just how I do it. And for the transition, it's just very easy. You can have it transitions here, and there are other options that we can choose from. So, yes, that's just so easy, and voila, we already have a speaking instructional material.